My name is Julián Poma, saluting you from the Abya Yala country. I am a proud 20 years Ecuadorian who believes in sustainable future for the global south, the light of America, where I have acted as a leader for a brighter, more sustainable future. I was born to embrace an aspirational middle-class family in one of the abandoned corners of Ecuador. And I grew up. I learned about the risks that my country and my people faced every day. With the education my parents and my family could hardly afford, I mainly tried to gain knowledge because I believed that someday I could bring a better future for them. Then I also went through a global pandemics. When I was 17 years old, my life completely changed because all of us have to went to quarantine. There I learned all the approaches of the SDGs, which inspired me to bring a better future, and they were so aligned with the values that I have gained with this knowledge in my education that I knew I had to act as a leader, as a change maker, and as a youth leader for people to raise our voice and make agendas for the South American sustainable future. Nowadays, I have established a career in biotechnology and political science, using the sciences and the administration philosophies to promote environmental and global rights. I am a believer of human rights, SDGs, and I believe in even greater action and leading. I see that nowadays I am called again, as I was called when I was 17 years old, to raise my voice, to confront and to face the challenges that nowadays our region face. I see that there is now a global movement for anti-intellectualism, for anti-science movements, and also the recess of human rights. What are we doing as youth about this? My objective, and the objective of the organization I represent, is to address these kind of issues and to give them a solution based in a multi-sectoral focus for all the people, leaving no one behind, and focusing in the SDGs and 2030 agenda.
COP30 will be an event that gathers all of the stakeholders that act in environmental issues and that are involved in environmental actions. Together, we can act as a global community to address these issues that nowadays are depleting natural resources and are endangering communities all around the world. I want to offer my knowledge and experience in environmental issues, working with vulnerable communities in my country to expand our impact in youth and to replicate these kind of spaces of discussion and action all over Ecuador and all over the Abya Yala region, which is Latin America.